Today, we will talk about business process outsourcing, BPO. Business process outsourcing is a method of subcontracting various business-related operations to third-party vendors. Although BPO originally applied solely to manufacturing entities, such as soft drink manufacturers that outsourced large segments of their supply chains, BPO now applies to the outsourcing of various products and services. Many businesses, from small startups to large companies, opt to outsource processes, as new and innovative services are increasingly available in today's ever-changing, highly competitive business climate. Companies adopt BPO practices in the two main areas of back-office and front-office operations. The breadth of a business BPO options depends on whether it contracts its operations within or outside the borders of its home country. BPO is deemed offshore outsourcing if the contract is sent to another country where there is political stability, lower labor costs, and/or tax savings. BPO is referred to as nearshore outsourcing if the job is contracted to a neighboring country. A third option, known as onshore outsourcing or domestic sourcing, occurs when BPO is contracted within the company's own country, even if its vendor partners are located in different cities or states. Companies are often drawn to BPO because it affords them greater operational flexibility. By outsourcing non-core and administrative functions, companies can reallocate time and resources to core competencies like customer relations and product leadership. BPO offers businesses access to innovative technological resources, process improvement, cost reduction measures, and other benefits such as quick and accurate reporting, improved productivity, and the ability to swiftly reassign its resources. While there are many advantages of BPO, there are also disadvantages. A business that outsources its business processes may be prone to data breaches or communication issues that delay project completion. Additionally, companies may underestimate the running costs of BPO providers and face customer backlash against outsourcing if they perceive this to be of inferior quality or at the expense of domestic employment. BPO is the abbreviation for business process outsourcing, which refers to when companies outsource business processes to a third-party company. The primary goal is to cut costs, free up time, and focus on core aspects of the business. Two types of BPO are front office and back office. Back office BPO entails the internal aspects of a business, such as payroll, inventory purchasing, and billing. Front office BPO focuses on activities external to the company, such as marketing and customer service. There are numerous advantages to BPO. One of the primary advantages is that it lowers costs. Performing a certain job function internally costs a specific amount. BPO can reduce these costs by outsourcing this job to an external party, often in a less cost-intensive country, reducing the overall cost of performing that job function. There are three primary types of BPO companies: local outsourcing, offshore outsourcing, and nearshore outsourcing. Local outsourcing is a company that is in the same country as your business. Offshore outsourcing is a company that is in another country, and nearshore outsourcing is a company that is in a country that is not too far from your country. A BPO call center handles outsourced incoming and outgoing customer calls on behalf of other businesses. Many BPO call centers will have agents that can individually handle customer complaints or inquiries standing in for a number of different companies, often within a particular specialty. For instance, one call center agent may be able to field tech support phone calls for a variety of vendors or manufacturers. Business process outsourcing utilizes third-party specialists to carry out some part of a business process or operation. BPO can lower a company's costs, increase efficiency, and provide flexibility. At the same time, the BPO industry is rapidly growing, which means that in our increasingly global economy, process outsourcing is not going anywhere. Here are 5 key takeaways. 1. Business process outsourcing, BPO, utilizes third-party vendors or subcontractors to carry out certain parts of their business operations. 2. The primary goal of BPO is to cut costs, free up time, and focus on core aspects of the business. BPO includes front office and back office types. 3. There are three primary types of BPO companies: local outsourcing, offshore outsourcing, and nearshore outsourcing. 4. A BPO call center handles outsourced incoming and outgoing customer calls on behalf of other businesses. 5. BPO today is an industry unto itself, with companies specializing in facilitating BPO to companies around the world. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.